Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys coupon inserts that are coming out. Now usually most websites have by Wednesday morning have what the list is coming out, and I've only found one website that has the list. I don't know what is going on. I don't know if they're just not sure what's going on, but I just googled it and the couponing couple is the only one that I could find. But it looks like we are getting 4 inserts this week. It's going to be a good week to get inserts, so I would definitely recommend that. Now if you guys are not sure where to get inserts, I order my inserts from a Facebook page called Saving Money Number 2. Now I have a coupon fairy. Her name is Elizabeth. If you guys go to that group or you message her, she'll give you guys prices on inserts, and then just tell her that I sent you, Jennifer sent you, or DesignerJen, and I actually get like a little bit of a discount, which is kind of cool. They just started doing something like that. So that's something if you guys need inserts and you're not sure. Now do keep in mind, I know what I get in inserts from her, and I know what I get in inserts in my newspaper. So not every single region gets the same insert. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. But with the 4 inserts we are getting, we got Smart Source. Now, I'm going to try to show you guys. I don't like how they have this written because they have the product and then they have the coupon, so it's kind of confusing. But we're getting Band $3 off of 2, Bio Oil, Biore, Buca de Beppos, Cheerios. We're getting, was it $1 off of 2, which is a pretty decent coupon. Crunch Maple Cheerios, it's hard to read this, $2 off of 3 because I'm reading it through my screen, so I don't let you guys not see what I'm seeing. Corel moisturizers, we're gonna get General Mills cereal, again $1 off of 2. Glade coupons, I haven't seen the Glade coupons in a while, but we are getting Glade plugins, buy one get one free, so that's a pretty good coupon. And then some other products, $1 off of 2. We're getting more Glycerna coupons. Now they're $4 off of 2. So we do have the $3 off, and I don't think those expire for a while. Hormel, Jergens, John Frieda, Quaker Chewy packages, $1 off of 2. Ragu, Rhinocart. Now here is some Rohoto Dry Aid drops, if you guys can see that. $5 off coupons. I love those $5 off coupons, and there's usually Ibotta deals with those, so I'm hoping that the Ibotta still goes good because those are freebies at Walmart or Target. So definitely keep an eye out for those. Rolaids we're getting, Scrubbing Bubbles, toilet cleaner, 50 cents off of that. Tenya, $3 off products if you guys are interested in that, and then Zantac and Zyrtec. Now here is Smart Source number 2. Now I for sure don't get the big coupons in either inserts that I order or get, so just give you guys a heads up on that. But we are getting $2 off coupons. Brute, we are getting $1.50 off that, so maybe there's some good deals. Chobani, a lot of Chobani coupons, $1 off of 5 if you guys are into yogurt. Claritin. Now here we're getting a Clorox coupon, $1 off of 2. CoverGirl. I see CoverGirl all the time. I feel like we just got CoverGirl, but more CoverGirl coupons. Depends, $3. Dr. Scholl's, Flintstones, or one-a-day kids vitamins. Now there's $4 off coupons, and there's going to be a deal that's going at Walgreens, so I'm hoping we can get some good deals with some vitamins. I really need to start having my kids start going on vitamins. Infusium, we're getting Olive Garden coupons. Some of it varies from store to store. We're getting one a day for adults, $4. Poise, $3. Sally Henson coupons, we got $1 off of that. Sure deodorant, $1.50. Tylenol and Zest. So those are the coupons that we're getting for the Smart Sources. Now we're going to the Retailmenot. Barbastil, we're getting $2 off the disposable razors. Boost Drinks, $3 off. Breathe Right, $2 off. Cutie Mandarins, 50 cents. I see that coupon all the time. Degree, Dove, looks like all deodorant coupons for $1.75 or $2. Excedrin, we're getting $1.50. Usually there's some good deals with that, hopefully, especially on Saving Star. Makes it a freebie. Flonase. Now here we got some Kellogg's Eggo waffles, $1 off of 3, or the Crispy Squares, $1 off. Now here is something I just started using, the Love and Beauty hair care products. Now we are getting a buy one, get one free coupon up to $11.99. I just started using that shampoo and conditioner, and I actually really like the smell. I like it a lot. You guys will see that in a future empties video when I do finish that stuff, but I'm super excited to hopefully stock up more on those products. Purdue, Pure Silk, Snickers Sharing Creamy Bag, we're getting 75 cents off of that. Stainmaster, just 75 cents off of those. We're getting Suave deodorant, Suave Kids, and Suave Men for $1, so those could be some good freebies for you guys if you guys go to, what is it, Kroger, Pick and Save. Suave products is just $1, so $1. So not the greatest coupons for the regular stuff, but otherwise we got that. And then here's Retailmenot number 2. Centrum gummies, $3 off. Centrum, $3 off. There might be some good deals with Saving Star combined, so you guys can get some freebies. Garnier Fructis, we're getting a 3 off of 2. Another coupon that's just a $2 off. Garnier Nutrice, Garnier Skin Active, $2, $3, 50-cent sheet masks. Haven't gotten masks in a while. Now here's something I'm so excited for is the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. We're getting a 4 off of 2, which makes it a pretty good deal at Walgreens this coming week. So you guys will have to check out my Walgreens video that I'll be posting probably before this video. It's hard to say. But we got that. L'Oreal, lots of L'Oreal coupons. Lots of L'Oreal. We get those all the time. So a lot of L'Oreal, 4 off of 2. Yeah, right there. L'Oreal, 4 off of 2. So that's a pretty good coupon. Maybelline, we're getting $1 off, $2 off, and $3 off. So we got that. Nexium, Sustain, and Thermacare, $2 off coupon for that. And that looks like that is it for the coupons that we are getting this coming Sunday. I'd say recommend getting ads. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. And thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.